spacious maintenance-free condominium in Quail Ridge. Features of this lovely home include a cheerful kitchen with newly installed recessed lighting, an island with a breakfast bar, cabinets, and drawers offering ample storage space, and all appliances are included. The focal point in the family room is a large stone, wood-burning fireplace flanked on both sides by built-in shelves. There is also a wet bar, and natural light comes in through the large windows. There are 2 large bedrooms. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with a double sink vanity and a spacious walk-in closet. The second bedroom offers 2 closets, one with built-in shelves. Both bathrooms have a combination tub/shower, and the expanded vanities include a makeup area. The second bathroom can be directly accessed by the second bedroom and has guest access via the hallway. Outdoor time can be enjoyed in the private courtyard in front and on the patio in the back. An oversized 2-car garage with storage closets provides extra storage space for bikes and other outdoor equipment. This neighborhood is situated by the Bloomington Country Club golf course with easy access.